Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashid, and today I will brief you that how you can make fill your empty cells. For example, if your data is more than 150,000 entries, so this will be absolutely impossible for you to fill out the data, to fill out the empty cells manually. It will be absolute impossible. Okay, so I will brief you, I will tell you, I will make you learn that how you can find out these cells and make them fill. So first of all, you need to make the selection. Okay, where you want to fill out the empty cells, and from here you have to go special, check out blanks and make it enter. So now you have to put zero, null, or anything which you want to put out into the empty cells. Like I want to print NU double L null, null. Okay, and then I will press control and press enter. So null will be in the all the empty cells. So this is the way by which you can fill out the empty cells in MS Excel sheet. And this is all for this tutorial. And one more thing, that is you need to subscribe my channel for more videos. And in next tutorial we will find out that how we can find out the LCM in MS Excel. So this is all for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for your time.